Hey guys, do you like my 50s look? Uh-huh. Anyway, for today's video, we are going to bake and we are going to make banana bread. So let's start baking. Hey guys, today we're going to make extra fluffy banana bread. Here's the list of ingredients. Preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I like my banana bread extra fluffy, so I'm using cake flour substitute. In a bowl with sifter, put 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. Remove 3 tablespoons of the flour. Equally add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Sift for 3 to 5 times or until well combined. Then set aside. In a separate bowl, peel the overripe bananas and mash all 3 together. Add the melted butter. Mix thoroughly to combine. Add the sugar, egg, vanilla extract. Mix well to combine. Add the cake flour substitute, baking soda, salt, then sift the flour with the banana mixture. Mix well to combine, but do not overmix. Grease your glassware or tin pan. Then carefully pour the banana bread batter. Flatten and even out the top. And top it with your favorite nuts or chocolate pieces. Bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then let it cool on a wire rack for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from pan or glassware and allow to cool completely. And here is my extra fluffy banana bread. Enjoy this delicious treat for snack or dessert. Here you go.
Ooh, banana bread?
Here. What a handsome boy.
Sorry. It's so good, dude. I'm so sorry, it's so good.